Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling voice control so the phone can listen and act. First, go to Settings, then Accessibility, and choose Voice Control. Tap Set up Voice Control and stay on Wi-Fi while iOS downloads language files. Once the download finishes, toggle Voice Control on and confirm the blue microphone appears in the status bar. This initial step registers commands locally for privacy and speed, so you don't need Siri. Make sure headphones aren't blocking the mic and proceed once you see the icon. Now customize how voice control behaves so it matches what you say. Open Customize Commands. You can edit built-ins or tap Create New Command. Say a short, unique phrase, then assign an action like tap, open app, or run shortcut. This maps speech to exactly what you want the phone to do. Once done, pick whether the command applies to any app or a single app to avoid accidental triggers. Make sure phrases are distinct and test them right away so you recognize timing and accuracy. You're ready to use voice control for navigation and dictation. Speak natural short phrases, open apps, tap buttons, or say dictate followed by your message and punctuation. Once in use, make sure ambient noise is low and the mic isn't covered. Hold the phone normally for best pickup. If voice control misfires or stops responding, quit to Settings and toggle voice control off and on, or restart the iPhone. This refreshes downloaded language files and mic access. If problems persist, check microphone permissions and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.